SVNIT. I have been placed in HPCL. I am from Electrical Engineering Department. So for the process of HPCL, initially the company will shortlist students on the basis of their pointers. After that, the selected students are eligible to apply for the group task. Now group task is an elimination round, after which the selected students will appear for personal interviews. So initially all the students who have been shortlisted through their pointers have to appear for document verification, in which they will check the semester reports of each of the semester and your 10th mark sheet. Moreover, they will also check your category certificates in case you belong to OBC, SC, ST. They will also ask for your NC and NCL certificates. Once you are through, all of your documents have been verified, you are eligible to appear for the group task, which is the first round of the process. Now a group task is very much different from a group discussion because in a group task you are given a case study or a problem to which you have to find solutions, but as a group. So initially for the first 10 minutes you are given to read the case study or the problem. You have to come up with your own solutions and write them down in a paper. Now after these 10 minutes are over, you have to discuss among yourself as a group about the solutions to that particular case study or problem. Now in this case it is very important to take a leadership stance, but even more important is to be accommodating towards others. So for example, if you have come up with your own solution, it is not always necessary that till the end that should be the only solution provided by the group. You should be ready to listen to other people's, and thus a group exercise means that the group is more important than your own personal opinions. Around 50% of the students are shortlisted after the group task, after which there is a personal interview. Now in the personal interview, there will be a panel of 8 to 9 people, out of which around 2 will be psychologists, there will be a few technical people and then a few HR people. So all aspects of your personality will be judged by this very diverse panel. You will be sitting at quite a large distance from the panel, so it is very important for you to be loud during the interview. First of all, when I entered, they asked me to tell something about myself. This is a standard question. Since I had not done any technical internships before this, I tried to focus on my marketing and sales skills, since HPCL also has these profiles to offer. Now during the interview, most of it was HR, not a single technical question was asked. They wanted to know that why I wanted to pursue marketing. They also wanted to know that why I was choosing a company like HPCL if I wanted to do sales and marketing in the end. Moreover, they are also interested to know whether you are ready to work in site work. Suppose for example they send you in a remote location, are you ready to work in such a situation? They also wanted to know whether I had given any other examinations, for example CAT, and they wanted to know how long I'll be staying with the company. So they gave me quite a lot of situations that, for example, if you're not getting promoted frequently, or if other friends are overtaking you, so in that case how would you react, or is it your plan to leave the company after 2 years to pursue an MBA? So they are quite there is quite a lot of focus on what is your commitment towards the company. They also asked me about where I saw myself in the company after 25 years later. So they have several cadres available on their website, so it is a good idea to go through them. They also were quite interested in my hobbies, so there will be a lot of questions depending on what your hobbies are. I was given a situation that, for example, I am in charge of a particular depot or a particular petrol pump. So what would I do to increase the profit of that particular petrol pump? In that I had to take into consideration about reducing the cost, increasing the sales, about the competitors. So just in case you are keen on sales and marketing, make sure that you know how B2B industries like HPCL operate in that region, because it is very much different from what regular marketing is for other companies. I have one tip to give. Even in case your profile is not very technical, for example, I did not have a single technical internship in my profile. If you are very sure about what you want to do in your future, what your career goals are, and if they align with HPCL as a company, it does not matter. So in the end, it's your confidence and your thought clarity that will help you get selected in a company like HPCL. So thank you for listening to the video and all the best for your future.